Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the habits of the world's most successful billionaires. In today's video, we're diving deep into the secrets that have propelled them to unimaginable wealth and success. Get ready to be inspired and motivated as we reveal the top 9 billionaire habits. The power of goal setting. First up, we have the power of goal setting. Billionaires understand the importance of setting clear, ambitious goals and working relentlessly towards them. Whether it's short-term or long-term, goals provide a roadmap to success. Relentless learning. Billionaires never stop learning. They devour books, attend seminars, and constantly seek knowledge. They understand that learning opens doors to new opportunities and helps them stay ahead of the game. Embracing failure. Contrary to popular belief, billionaires don't fear failure, they embrace it. They see failure as a stepping stone to success. It's through failures that they learn valuable lessons and adapt their strategies. Taking calculated risks. Successful billionaires aren't afraid to take risks, but they do so intelligently. They analyze potential risks, weigh the odds, and make informed decisions. They understand that calculated risks can lead to extraordinary rewards. Building a strong network. Networking is a crucial habit of billionaires. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals, mentors, and industry experts. Building a strong network provides access to valuable connections, advice, and opportunities. Fostering discipline and persistence. Discipline and persistence are two key traits billionaires possess. They stick to their routines, work tirelessly, and stay focused on their goals, even when faced with setbacks. It's this unwavering determination that sets them apart. Prioritizing health and well-being. Contrary to the all work, no play stereotype, billionaires prioritize their health and well-being. They understand that a healthy body and mind are essential for sustained success. Regular exercise, meditation, and self-care are part of their daily routines. Giving back to society. Billionaires also recognize the importance of giving back to society. Philanthropy is a habit that many of them embrace. They use their wealth to create positive change, support charitable causes, and make a difference in the world. Maintaining a positive mindset. Last but not least, billionaires maintain a positive mindset. They believe in themselves, visualize success, and surround themselves with positivity. They understand that a positive attitude attracts opportunities and fuels their motivation. And there you have it, the 9 billionaire habits that can transform your life. Remember, success is within your reach if you're willing to adopt these habits and put in the hard work. Stay motivated, keep pushing forward, and who knows? Maybe one day, you'll join the ranks of the world's wealthiest individuals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss an episode. And as always, remember to dream big and work hard. Until next time.